Audio Jungle.
Welcome to a world built on innovation, quality, and excellence.
Audio Jungle.
PHN Group, a member of DRB-HiCOM. PHN Industry Sendirian Berhad is a metal-based components manufacturer specializing in automotive, non-automotive parts, and modular assembly. We are the largest dies manufacturer in Malaysia.
Audio Jungle.
Our vision is to become a highly competitive metal parts and dies manufacturer in the region, and our mission is to provide our customers with superior quality products at a competitive price. PHN is a subsidiary of one of Malaysia's largest conglomerates, DRB-HiCOM, and is a holding company to DRB-HiCOM Mechatronics Sendirian Berhad and Oriental Summit Industries Sendirian Berhad. Our innovations in technological stability has led us to accomplish many milestones over the years, making PHN the premier resource for metal-based automotive and non-automotive components and dies. Our factories are running at 8 prime locations across the country, including Shah Alam, creating a strong foothold for long-term service. Our products range from automotive metal components to other mechanical parts for industries worldwide. With hundreds of our brilliant workers working with some of the most sophisticated apparatus, we offer our customers a full range of mechanical press and welding services, including fine blanking, tailor welded blank, TWB, stamping and assembly for high tensile and advanced high tensile material. First automotive high-tensile roll-forming production line in Southeast Asia. If you have driven different cars, chances are you have driven multiple cars with components manufactured by PHN, because PHN is proud to manufacture and assemble components for big names in the automotive industry. We develop various automotive parts for Honda, Proton, Perodua, and other OEMs. PHN also serves as one of the largest manufacturing units for various types and sizes of dies, in addition to assembly of various modules. The company's dies manufacturing solution offers a full range of services from design to assembly. DRB-HiCOM Mechatronics Sendirian Berhad has been established as a new subsidiary to venture into electrical and electronic products. PHN will move one step further when it starts the automotive battery operation and supply to a major local OEM. This embodiment of high-quality assurance, practiced with stringent inspections at every production stage, from initial stage control to mass production, keyline operations, right through to manufacturing audit and calibration of precision tools and instruments. We take pride in our R&D department, which proved as a catalyst that truly elevated PHN from a manufacturing-centric to a technology-centric group. PHN will grow and evolve into a turnkey, whole-service metal design and assembly provider to the aerospace industry worldwide. We believe our employees are our most precious asset, and we value our employees, and therefore we help them in every step of the way in their journey. We believe in a win-win working partnership and make a conscious effort to make our place of work comfortable and safe for our employees. PHN's visionary team creates multiple paths to success to fulfill the promise of our customers. In proof of our efforts, PHN has received accolades from world-renowned corporations such as Honda, Toyota, Perodua, and more. The team's bold and entrepreneurial spirit, continuously generates fresh and forward-thinking ideas and projects, keeping them relevant in today's world as well as the future.
Audio Jungle.